Okay, so this is my next vlog. I'm in a really good mood. You guys are weird, you know why? Because you're watching my videos. No, just kidding. Because you're in my fridge. Let that sink in. But yeah, you're in my fridge. Here's the door. It's like really late. I do my videos at late times. I have like no time in the day. I thought I always had time, but I don't. Never mind, she doesn't like me making these. She doesn't like Facebook. She doesn't like anything I do. Like, honestly, can I not do anything right? But yeah, that's why I always do videos late. Well, my last one was late anyway. I don't know why I put you in the fridge. You look so good in the fridge. My fridge looks bad. Disgusting things in this fridge. There's carrots, Lunchables. Okay, so yeah. Allie stayed back because she's really bored. I hope that nothing happens to the iPod in the fridge. Yeah. I don't know what to say. Oh yes. I don't want to talk about. Okay, things you never say to girls. You don't call girls fat. Ever. Even if you're just kidding, they will take it to the heart. They may laugh and smile and push you. Probably a little punch, but just, it won't mean anything. But she's actually doing that to let you know, like, don't call me that. It's just embarrassing. You know how girls feel about their weight. Some girls do. I'm gonna make upset. Okay. Don't ever tell them they smell weird or bad. Don't tell them they smell bad. You can tell them they smell weird. They'll be like, but yeah. Don't tell them they smell weird. This is rude. Girls can take some bad jokes. Girls can take some jokes. They can take a lot of jokes. It's just not the appearing ones. Like, they work hard to make you feel impressed by how they look. Cause I was conceived in that once. Oh my god, kid. Here's my cat. It's roaming. Say hello. He's adorable. Look at teeth. He likes stepping on my teeth. You're stepping on my teeth. Look at the iPod. Look at the viewers. Aren't they pretty? I mean handsome? Sexy. Sexy viewers. Okay, get out of the fridge. I know you like the fridge. Ow! Ow! Okay, cool. Go. Go. You can see his tail, can't you? Where'd he go? There's a tail. Okay. It's been 3 minutes. Time wasting. Okay, so things you shouldn't say to girls. Actually, I don't know. I don't get offended easily. But if I do find something offensive, I'll just cuss my ass off. That wasn't a very good subject, was it? No, it wasn't. So you saw him look at me. This is a tail right here. He's cute. Love my little Roman. Comment pet names. Comment pet names. Ow. He was gonna scratch a lot. Okay. And then we've gone on to 4 minutes. Wow. Okay. Maybe next time we'll do it in the fridge again. Sounds dirty. Yeah, we should do it in the fridge again. Alright. Yeah, it was a lot better. We can do it in the fridge again. Till next time. Sexies. I've gotten really creepy since last time, haven't I? My iPod is so cold. Coldness. Top compartment. Oh no, top compartment. Middle. Bottom. Very bottom. Da-na-na. Okay. So So, subscribe, like, comment. And I don't... Okay, so on my journey to YouTubing, please help me. You mean a lot to me. Goodbye. Oh no, that's wrong. That's wrong. Not lesbian.